Your credit report is an essential document that lenders and creditors use to evaluate your creditworthiness. It contains information about your credit history, including credit accounts, payment history, and credit inquiries. However, errors in your credit report can have a significant impact on your creditworthiness and financial well-being. In this article, we will discuss how to dispute errors on your credit report in India. Step 1. Obtain a copy of your credit report. The first step in disputing errors on your credit report is to obtain a copy of your credit report. In India, you can obtain a free copy of your credit report from any of the credit bureaus, including CIBIL, Experian, Equifax, or CRIF High Mark. You can request a copy of your credit report online or by mail. Step 2. Review your credit report. Once you have obtained a copy of your credit report, review it thoroughly to identify any errors or inaccuracies. Look for incorrect personal information, such as your name, address, or date of birth. Also, check for errors in your credit accounts, payment history, and credit inquiries. Step 3. Gather supporting documents. To dispute errors on your credit report, you need to provide evidence to support your claim. Gather supporting documents, such as payment receipts, loan agreements, and other relevant documents that can prove your case. Step 4. Contact the credit bureau. After identifying errors on your credit report and gathering supporting documents, contact the credit bureau that issued your report. You can submit a dispute online or by mail. Provide a detailed explanation of the error and attach supporting documents. Be sure to include your name, address, and other relevant personal information. Step 5. Wait for the investigation. After submitting your dispute, the credit bureau will investigate the error and contact the creditor or lender that reported the information. The creditor or lender must provide evidence to support the information they reported. The credit bureau will update your credit report based on the results of the investigation. Step 6. Check your updated credit report. After the investigation, check your updated credit report to ensure that the errors have been corrected. If the errors have been corrected, your credit score and creditworthiness may improve. In conclusion, disputing errors on your credit report in India is an essential step in maintaining financial stability. Review your credit report regularly, gather supporting documents, and contact the credit bureau if you identify any errors or inaccuracies. By following these steps, you can ensure that your credit report is accurate and up-to-date, which can improve your chances of obtaining credit and achieving financial goals.